What is happening, YouTube? It's the Shoe Bully coming at you live from Louisville, Kentucky with a surprise early look at the Paul George 2.5 from Nike and PlayStation. Originally, I was going to throw these in the pile here and do an unboxing video where I open, thousands of dollars worth of sneakers. But instead, curiosity got the best of me and I decided to see what was in this box. And boy, I'm glad I did. Because we got the second installment in the Nike PlayStation joints. And man, I gotta say, I'm really digging what they did with these. Go ahead and pop these out for y'all. Boom. On this shoe, we got the PlayStation on the tongue, Paul on the back. We got the ice soles with the wolf gray wrap. And then we got the triangle, circle, square, X all around the shoe. It's really nice. It's on the strap as well. And then on this shoe, we got the PG on the tongue. And we got George on the back. And again, we got the buttons wrapped all around the shoe with the strap as well. And the ice bottoms with the PG. Man, they really killed this shoe out, and I'm about to show y'all why right now. This is why, baby. You press this button right here, and you get power. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Man, the Shoe Bully thinks that every grown man should have a pair of light up shoes in 2018, man. So let y'all's wives know that y'all copping a pair. Oh yeah, this one lights up too. It's got two different modes. You got the phaser mode, and then you got the always on mode. I thought that was pretty cool. We'll go ahead and cut the lights, give y'all some shots of these with the lights off. Alright y'all, so that's pretty much all we got today. I hope you enjoyed this early look at the Paul George 2.5 from Nike and PlayStation. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down at the bottom for your boy and hit the thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know if you rocking with these. Sneaker Farm and Shoe Bully signing out, baby.